Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm excited to show you how to make the almighty Tom Brown for the whole family. So stay tuned and stay glued. If this is your first time in this channel, you're very welcome, and for my return subscribers, you're welcome back. So here are the list of ingredients. We've got our millet, we've got corn, we've got groundnuts or peanuts, we've got rice, dates, we've got Guinea corn and soybeans. So I'll go ahead and pick out the stones, wash and dry all the ingredients before we start toasting. So for the soybean, I'll start by giving it a rinse, after which I'll set it on fire and parboil it for about 20 to 25 minutes.
But I don't care 'cause you do like me.
Bring your water to a boil, pour in the soybean, cover and allow it to cook for about 20 to 25 minutes. So I'll go ahead and strain it out. Then I'll wash it exactly the way you wash your beans for moi moi or akara. And I'll be leaving a link in the description box in case you don't know how to wash beans. There's a video for you that will help you do that. So now I'll go ahead and dry them out. So we'll start by toasting our groundnut. I'll keep stirring it until it is well toasted. So now that the peels can go off easily, I'll set it aside. Next, I'll be toasting the rice. I'll also keep stirring it on a medium heat until it is well toasted. Next is our corn. It goes with the same process, just keep stirring all the ingredients on a medium heat until they're all well toasted. You can actually do this together if you have a big pan. You can pour all the ingredients together and toast them at once instead of doing it one after the other. The next ingredient we'll be toasting is our Guinea corn. Keep stirring until it starts emitting an irresistible aroma and starts popping a little like popcorn. The aroma in my kitchen right now is heaven on earth. Next ingredient is millet. I'll go ahead and stir as usual until it is properly toasted. Next, we'll be toasting our soybean. Sorry about the noise, I just needed us to know how dried it has become. I will also toast until it's brown and well toasted. The aroma is seriously heaven on earth, is irresistible. I really feel like chewing it. So next, I'll go ahead and deseed our dates. This is the only ingredient that we are not toasting. Every other ingredient is toasted apart from dates. It is very easy to deseed, not minding that it is dry. Now we have our dates ready. So here are all the ingredients we are using. Check the description box to know the measurements, and that's if you are targeting about 5 to 5.5 kg. So they are all ready. Tom Brown can be enjoyed by the whole family, including children of 6 months of age. So I'll go ahead and add all the ingredients inside a big bowl. And then I'll go ahead and mix them properly. After mixing them, I'll go ahead and take it to a heavy duty mill outside the house to mill it. If your blender can do the job, you may not need to take it outside, but this is very much, so I won't be able to blend it at home. Ta-da! Here we've got our Tom Brown, and I'll go ahead and open it up this way and allow it to cool down completely before packaging. Please give this video a thumbs up, leave a comment for us, share with your family and friends, and don't forget to hit on that red subscribe button before tuning out. Once it's completely cool, just go ahead and package it in an airtight container and enjoy with the whole family. Thank you for watching and see you in my next video. Bye bye.